Okay, so for everybody who doesn't know, because apparently there's a lot of you, Alex Preddy was disarmed by an agent right before he got shot. Alex Preddy's gun misfired, like discharged, on accident whenever the agent was pulling away with it. And that was the first shot that was fired. He is the first and only agent who immediately jumped and reacted to the first shot. If you look closely and actually pay attention to exactly when the first shot was fired, you can see that every single other agent had a natural delayed reaction. And once that delayed reaction passed, all the remaining shots went off, besides that one guy who kind of ducked off, which is questionable. I don't know how their training is. Maybe that's a normal thing to do. That's something that you could argue. But the fact is, that was the first bullet, and it was clearly an accident. It was pointed at the floor when it went off. So naturally, the question arises, who knew that Alex got disarmed? Anybody? Because it is possible that nobody knew. Literally, the time that Alex got disarmed from all the bullets going off was like 2 seconds. Although there is an agent that was standing right in front of like everything that was happening. Maybe he saw it, maybe he didn't. And if he did see it, it still doesn't exactly mean that he didn't have another gun on him. In fact, that agent, I'm pretty sure, took the first shot on Alex, aka the second bullet that we heard. So maybe he assumed that the first shot was by Alex, even though he saw him get disarmed. By the way, Alex's exact gun model has over 100 lawsuits for misfiring. But I think moral of the story is nobody could have avoided Alex's death that day besides Alex himself. I think it really boils down to if he didn't have that model of gun, he wouldn't be dead. I don't think any of the agents had any intention in shooting and killing Alex Preddy until his gun discharged, and they all assumed that it was him shooting. So for all of you who want to argue semantics in each little frame, show me a better video than what I just showed you that proves a different agent took the first shot.